Good day, one and all. My name is Kathy, and welcome to this last episode of the Scrap and Crafty Gardener for the 2024 year. Today, I am doing an unboxing from GinaK Designs. I ordered a couple sheets of polyglaze, plus I ordered the Stamp and Die Mystery Bundle and the Stamp Mystery Bundle. I've already slit the sides, but I have not slit across the top. So this is a big box. Let's just see. Let's see. Let's get this open, and I'll take it out and get rid of this big box so it's not in my way. Oh my goodness, this box is full. And I got the third alternate incentive set, which is a layering weight white card box. Oh goodness, I guess I'm not gonna. All right, get some of this out of the way. Take this out of the box, and there's another box inside the box. Okay. All right, these are what I ordered. I ordered some plain white polyglaze sheets. I ordered 2 packs of those. And then I ordered some polyglaze foiling sheets. This is the Tiny Dots, the Petite Flourish, and I got more of the Floral Greetings and the flurries that have the little stars and snowflakes. Elegant Thoughts. Okay, this is the mystery bundle. Oh my, I can already see some I don't have already. Okay. In the mystery bundle, I got the Precious Poinsettia stamp set. And this is a little far away, so I'm going to move this box. Look at that. That is beautiful. Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday Joy, wishing you love, to from, wishing you a peace. This must be a layered poinsettia. And it has the cutting die. All right, I'm going to have to check out how to use this one. I'm not familiar with this one at all. And then, I don't have this one either. This one is called Fluttering Fall. Look at those beautiful butterflies. It says, thanks, many, for all you do. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. You so much, and prayers for you, love, and butterflies remind us of just how beautiful change can be. And I'm hoping that these aren't blurry. I'm going to pull my chair up now. That is nice. Okay, and then this one says, how do you say that? HYGGE time. Hygie time? Oh, isn't that cute? The little snowman and the teapot and the coffee cups, a ball of yarn. Oh, look at that crochet hook and yarn. Oh, and a little kitty and a fluffy puppy. This is adorable. I don't know what HYGGE means. I'm going to have to look that up. It probably has something to do with knitting or crochet, which I do, but I'm not familiar with that word. That's adorable. And this says Forever Flowers. Oh, I don't have this one either. Well, I do now. Oh, I love that forever. Pardon me. That's beautiful. And then this says Kindness Silhouettes. Oh, I can see some uses for this already. Okay, so that was worth the money. That was the mystery Stamp Mystery Bundle. I believe. Let me open this box now. Now, I know one of these is no longer available. Let's see. That might have been the Stamp and Die Mystery Bundle. Yeah, this is the Stamp Mystery Bundle. This was $30, and oh my gosh, that was well worth that. Okay, now this is the Stamp and Die Mystery Box. This was $60. So let me see what I got in here. I Love Your Smile stamp set, and I got some tape on me. I don't have that. That's adorable. Sunny Flowers. Oh, wow. I don't have that either. Oh, that is gorgeous. This one is called Santana Rose Mini. That is beautiful. You're my best friend forever. How did I ever make it before I knew you? I really wished we lived closer to each other. That is a gorgeous stamp set. Oh, I got some polyglaze. This one is Happy Swirls. Oh, and fancy foils. Oh my goodness. Wild Lilac and Amazing Amethyst. Amethyst. That's a fused foiling system starter pack. Oh, 14 karat gold. Oh my goodness. I could have used that on yesterday's card where I needed gold. Okay. And then this one, oh, that is beautiful. I don't have this one either. This is Antique Roses by Hannah Schroeder-Drapinski. Look at that. That is gorgeous. A gorgeous set. All right. Oh, and Glorious Goldfinch. I did not have this one either. Oh my goodness, I'm just so excited. Oh, look at that one. I just wanted to say thank you. We would both like to thank you for adding to the lovely memories of our special day and for your kind gift. These have nice inside sayings too. Oh, I love that. Okay. Oh, this is cute. I wouldn't say it's my best stamp set ever, but it is adorable. Sunshine and Rainbows. Oh, and look, there's the die set that goes with the Sunshine and Rainbows. Okay, this one is called Everyday Amazing. I did not have this one either. Oh, this would be nice background stamp. Oh, and look, you get the everyday die set with that. This was well worth the money too. Okay, and fun frames. Oh, and this one has the die set too. Oh, I like this. And I like these big sayings. Well, this was my haul for today. I hope you all have a happy and safe New Year's Eve, and you have a great start to the new year of 2025. This is my last video for this year, and I will be back tomorrow with another one. Thanks for watching.